Hi Susan, sorry to hear about the problem with your Samsung washing machine door seal. Now you've given me a model number of WW90K6414. You will need the other couple of numbers or letters at the end of that, because I noticed when I went on the system this morning to actually find the door seal for you, there were a few variations of this machine. So it's very important that you get the full model number off the identification plate. Now I'm in Lelystad in Holland at the moment, on the way back from the IFA trade show in Berlin, which is Europe's biggest trade show for domestic appliances. So I've been away for a couple of weeks, and if I just take you round now, you can see that my camper is up there in the distance, and I'm actually staying here for 3-4 days just to catch up on all the customers' emails and questions that have come through while I've been driving. Now I've actually got to go all the way across to Amsterdam shortly, across this inland waterway system, and there's a road actually out there somewhere that crosses over this water system, and I believe it's 10-15 miles long, which will be an interesting drive, and I'll most probably record it as well. But I've also on the web page for you put a video which will assist you in replacing the door seal once you've got the correct part. So the links to the parts are on the page, exploded diagrams of your machine are on the page, and also the video is on the page to assist you in replacing the door seal. I hope this helps you, and goodbye from Holland. I hope you manage to fix your machine. If not, don't worry, you can contact us next week and I will be in the workshop to do a one-to-one call with you.